just enough. And then since I don't have any fresh ginger, I have powdered ginger. I'm gonna take some ginger, which this is all I have left. I was taking certain vitamins for so long, and sometimes you have to cut back for some months to give your body a break and then start back up. And that's what I'm doing. I'm in the process of doing that slowly but surely. So yeah, guys, let me know in the comments if you've ever tried this hack. And if you do take turmeric, ginger, whatever the case may be, let me know how you take it in liquid form or add it to liquid. I hope this hack was helpful, and this tip can encourage someone to make sure you get your vitamins in each and every day. Hello my chat partners, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Dion. Please subscribe to my channel and to my returning chat partners. I really appreciate you guys' support. I had high protein breakfast. It was really, really good. That's my go-to breakfast. I keep that now. Those chicken sausages from Trader Joe's, guys. These things right here, they're really, really good. This morning was my second time having these. They're good. I like them. I'm gonna cook the lunch. It's this squiggly, nice cut style noodles with soy and sesame sauce. It's really good, guys. I actually cooked this the other night for me and my husband for dinner, so I'm going to cook it for us for lunch. And we have 2 packs left. It comes with 4 packs. To cook it, it says to bring at least 4 cups of water to a boil. So I'm going to use all the water. And I have the pot already on the stove. I had the pot hot already. What I do also, that when you cook it, you boil the noodles for like 4 minutes. I'm going to add to the broth is I'm going to add some bok choy to the broth. I'm also going to add some mushrooms. These white onions left. And then I'm going to cut up some more onion and add to it. Cut up the bok choy, cut up the mushroom, and cut up the tofu. This is the tofu.